order ID is already connected with order ID from salesperson, yeah, and also for order ID and customer, we have products, yeah, and connected with customer products. What about this one? The product and customer, yeah, customer.product and product.product. So more or less, I think this is the right, yeah, association, which is automatically identified by ClickView. Now you can go directly to load data, because the data that previously imported is not loaded yet. You can click load data. On the right top, there is the load data. Okay, the new sheets has been created. You can click edit the sheet. Yeah, this is empty sheet, and this is edit mode. Yeah, as you see on the top right, this is done editing. Yeah, when you have done with the editing, you can click it. Okay, so on the left side, you have different option here. We have a field already, or the attribute from our data, yeah? Country, customer, and so forth. Let's see from maybe simple first. Click radar chart, yeah. Click here, drag and drop, and you have to dimension here. This is a required for radar chart. Let's see, the dimension is country, yeah, and I want to see also product category. You just type category, I think you find it, yes. And what is the measure? The measure can be order amount, yeah, some order amount, it's fine. So you get the radar chart already here. Yeah. So you see there is a radar chart is like this. So you can compare between two lines. Let me make it bigger a bit. Yeah. So if you see mid, for example, mid from UK is a bit less than the mid sales in USA. Yeah. And also for the other product category, you can see as the radar map like this. Also, you can create the tree map. This is really good kind of map. Let me make it big a bit. Yeah. So let's assume we have dimension country, and measure is the order amount, sum. You have USA and UK, yeah, only two here, but you can add additional dimension. Go to the right, selection here, click product category, for instance. Click it, yeah. You have more detailed information. And every region is about when the area is greater, that means the sale is also greater, yeah. And if you want to add additional measure, it's also possible, if you like, using alternative measure here, yeah. I need to know not only about order amount, but also quantity. Yeah, some quantity here. So if you see about two measure here, you can click done first. Yeah, this is already as the running of BI dashboard, and you can click this part. Yeah, on the right side. Uh, exploration menu. Yeah, click exploration menu. You have two type of measure, order amount and quantity. You just click quantity. Yeah, it will look different based on the quantity that are sold. Yeah, and this is the order amount. You can switch between country and category as well. Just move down like this. Yeah. So the order for category will be considered first and then the country. Or you can move it back like this. Yeah. So it should be easy enough. But if you have any question, of course, you can ask, you can edit again. Yeah. Like this. Okay. So your task is basically try to find the best chart, the appropriate chart that can answer the questions. Yeah. So the first question is actually is already shown in my screen actually. Yeah. The first questions, let me, I think I need to share everything again. The first questions, which product category are having the higher sales in UK than in USA? Yeah? So as you see from radar chart, for instance, or you have another chart, it's also okay. Try to show and to answer the questions. Who is the best salesperson and who are the best three customers? Okay, well, we are waiting for, I'm waiting for your questions. Let me share the my presentation slide. If you have any questions, please ask. Okay, the PPT is sending in the chat room. You can download it. You cannot download the files. Why is that? Let me share in the, I share a link where you can find the data, also the software. Yeah? Let me show you the content. So you should have this kind of a list of content here for the last link that I give you. It contains the data. Yeah, there are 4 Excel files you can download from it, and this is a PPT, the presentation slide. And I need to inform a bit about the software. You can use this ClickView desktop. You can download it later, but not now. If you cannot manage with the Click Cloud, it's also fine to use it. Just in case you cannot create the subdomain or anything, you can use the desktop version. And this one is actually the NetBean, yeah, with the GTK included. I think you need to use it tomorrow, by tomorrow. Okay, Annabelle. Yeah, you come up with this data manager. Yeah, you miss one table.
Oh, okay, sir.
There are 4, yeah, Annabelle?
Okay, sir, but my question is like after we put in all the circles, are we supposed to like link them or it's just like separately? Like for the 3 circles. I mean like with one more later.
You can add by drag and drop only the left one, yeah? Only the table, I think salesperson is left here, is missing here.
Okay.
So you just add the salespersons into it.
Okay,
And
so
then you need to click this apply all, yeah,
apply all.
for
Okay.
association, yeah. And then the last but not least, don't forget to click load data.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, well done. Anybody else, please? Anyone can? Okay, let me show you again my, yes, this one. Okay, in the data manager, you can just click this one. Yeah. If you miss it, you can go to the table. Yeah. You can add like this. Drag and drop here. You can add also the map. If you want to have map of the country, click drag and drop map. And then you just add the layer here. I choose the area only. Yeah, add dimension. Dimension should be country. Yeah. So you see, there is, I think this one is also USA, Alaska. Yeah. And this is the main country of USA. And this one is UK. If you done editing, and then you click maybe USA on the left button here, it will be shown only USA. And I remove USA country, it will show all the countries. Let me select UK now. So UK will be shown in. You can click back with edit sheet and try to organize a bit your dashboard. Maybe you want to add bar chart here, but it's not enough space here. Okay, for bar chart, for instance, the dimension is salesperson. And I want to see the sales as the measures. It's not sales, yeah, here, but it's much more, you need to check as well the content of the data, yeah? It should be amount, order amount here, yes. So we have each salespersons has the x-axis here, and also the total order amount for every salesperson. If you still have some issue with registrations, please let me know. So we have around 5 minutes. Anyone can manage maybe with the some chart in your BI dashboard? Okay, Julian, Micheline, do you have any questions? Maybe you have done, please, or maybe on the halfway is fine. You can show a bit, just like Annabelle also show about the data manager. Maybe you have some chart already there. Ashley, Shannon, Jason, Karen, Nico, do you have some? Ritwan, Mark, Florent as well? Do you have?
So, sir, is this going to
Yes.
be due on Friday? with our...
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You well, you can work together, yeah, within your group. Just a group that was created before. Maybe a freshman leader can make a group for you. Also for CIDR, also for UI, you can have the same group. Yeah,
Okay.
just create one per group, one dashboard to answer 4 questions there. Yeah. Thank you for your questions, Annabelle.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's already, the time is up. Any last question? If not, then I need to give the floor back to our freshman leader or with Sir Sam as well. Please.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Dr. Michael. I personally really enjoy and I learned a lot from your presentations today. So, students, today we just saw a good demonstrations of how to change from, let's put it, less meaningful data of CSV file. If you see CSV file, they look a little bit, well, you know, too detailed, I would like to say, too detailed. So in this slide, especially to us humans, we would like to have data that is more aggregated for us, well summarized for us. It is in a form of bar chart, pie charts, or any of those charts, because human being thinks with image. When I say red apple, in front of you, immediately you can see, you know, the red apples. Or I say huge elephants, then in front of you, you can see huge elephants. You don't see, you know, text such as CSV, you know, contains text saying huge elephants, of course not. So that's why we would like to incorporate, we would like to transform data into information that you can see here. So of course, we would like to bring this into more details. I'll be team teachings later on with Dr. Michael on data management and analytics to bring you this particular skill. So probably the one that we will enjoy this data management and analytics will be your freshman leader, yeah? So Rizky and Franz and Aidan will be, you know, will be having that subject next week. However, for you, I would like to, of course, to bring to you to the basic of this information technology and application development. So once you develop, how are we programmers, or how to talk in this technology language, I would like to say it. So we would like to bring that tomorrow from morning sessions until somewhere in 12:30, if I'm mistaken, yeah? Both myself and Dr. Michael will share to you, of course, of how to start our new technology language. Yeah, I don't want to put like programming, it sounds really intimidating. But let's put it as, you know, this will be our new language of commanding certain things to our PC, commanding certain things to our laptop, commanding certain things to our mobile phone. So without further ado, I would like to remind you, of course, of your preparations. So you have seen all of this in front of you. At the end of this week, we would like to present, yeah, we would like to present or to claim, yeah, to claim that you already grasp all of these introductory sessions towards information systems. All right, thank you so much, Dr. Michael, for your excellent presentations. And then we really enjoy your knowledge on this business intelligence topic. And then students, for tomorrow, I would like to remind you, if you could please install your JDK, one, and then install your NetBeans, two. So there will be two software that you would need to install for tomorrow's session. It is not necessarily will be used for your Friday's presentations, but it will be a good starting point for you to see what is exactly programming language, and then how we can implement this using Java programming language tomorrow. So having said that, of course, we have planned for you just in case you cannot install that, but we really encourage you to install that on your machine so we can do real practice tomorrow morning and afternoon for you to be able to really jump in very, very quickly to this programming language subjects. All right, Dr. Michael, thank you so much. I would like to give this back to our FYP leaders. So yet again, students, thank you so much for your attentions. I look forward to our meetings tomorrow morning. And then as well, if you can please prepare, I know I'm repeating myself, but that's how important it is. If you can please prepare your NetBeans and JDK already installed on your machines. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll give that to Rizky, Aidan, Rex, and Farrell. Yeah, thank you. Goodbye for now.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Let me
Thank you, sir, Michael.
Yes, sir.
Let me
Alright.
add something for freshmen. As the third Sam mentions about the installation of GTK and NetBeans, I have shared one file. This file is included both, yeah, GTK and NetBeans all together. I share in my OneDrive in the in the chat room. You will find the link already. Yeah. So inside folder software, can you see my screen? Yeah. So you have a software here. The first one is ClickView Desktop. Yeah. But also GTK here. This is both installation for GTK and NetBeans altogether. Okay. Thank you. Let's go back to our leader. Yeah. Freshman leader, please. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, we're done.
Thank you so much, Farrell.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye for now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
All the
guys.
best. Stay safe, please.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Away
Thank
we
you.
go.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Sir.
Good afternoon, guys.